Now, book reading. Unit 2, Matter and Materials. Learning objective. What do you mean by learning objective? What are the one you know in this lesson? That only learning objective. You learn this lesson. After what we know about this lesson, that only learning objective. After learning this lesson, the students will be able to classify the materials based on their properties. Conduct simple investigation related to materials. Realize the importance of matter and materials in daily life. Differentiate transparent, translucent and opaque objects. This only learning object. Now book reading. First one, materials. Everything in the universe is made up of matter. Everything in the universe, the whole world, universe means world, is made up of matter. We need to explore many different materials to make sense of our world. எல்லா யூனிவர்ஸில் இருக்க எல்லா பொருளும் ஒரு மேட்டரால் ஆனதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. We need to explore many different materials to make sense of our world. வேர்ல்டை எது உருவாக்குது? இந்த மெட்டீரியல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. The matter from which a thing is made up of is called materials. The matter from which a thing is made of is called material. ஒரு மேட்டரை வச்சு ஒரு திங்ஸை உருவாக்குறதுக்கு பேர் தான் மெட்டீரியல்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள், சேர் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் வுட். சேர் எதனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டது? வுட்டு, மரக்கட்டைனால் உருவாக்குகிறது. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? சேர் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் பிளாஸ்டிக் சேரு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, எரேசர் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் ரப்பர். எரேசர் எதனால் உருவாக்குகிறது? ரப்பர் மரத்துலேருந்து பால் எடுத்து என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? எரேசரை உருவாக்குறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, கேண்டில் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் வேக்ஸ். கேண்டில் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் வேக்ஸ். ஒரு மேட்டரில் இருந்து ஒரு மெட்டீரியலை எப்படி உருவாக்குறோம்? த மேட்டர் ஃப்ரம் விச் எ திங்க், ஒரு பொருள், அதிலிருந்து ஒரு மெட்டீரியலை உருவாக்குறோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? சேர் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் வுட்டு. வுட்டிலேருந்து சேர் உருவாகுது. எரேசர் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் ரப்பர்லேருந்து எரேசர் கிடைக்குது. ரப்பர் பால்லேருந்து எரேசர் கிடைக்குது. கேண்டில் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் வேக்ஸ்லேருந்து கேண்டில் கிடைக்குது. இதுதான் இங்கே மேட்ரு. எது மேட்ரை எதை கன்சிடர் பண்ணுறோம்? வேக்ஸு மேட்ரு, அதிலிருந்து மெட்டீரியல் என்ன உருவாகுது? கேண்டில் உருவாகுது. சேம் லைக் திஸ் கிளாத்து. கிளாத் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் விச் ஒன்? Get you any idea? Have you any idea from this one? Yeah, very good. Which one? Thread. And also first one, which one? The cloth is made of, very good, cotton. காட்டன்லேருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? கிளாத் கிடைக்குது. மெட்டீரியல் என்ன? மேட்ரு என்னது? காட்டன். மெட்டீரியல் என்ன? கிளாத்து. தட்ஸ் ஆல். Try to understand. Look at the pictures and identify the materials by which they are made of. Paper, clay, glass, wood, plastic, metal, rubber, wax. Here some picture given you. For what purpose? You find out this. Look at the picture and identify the materials by which they are made of. இந்த பிக்சரில் இருக்கிறது எதனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டது? பேப்பர். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹியர் கிவன். பேப்பர், கிளே, கிளாஸு, வுட்டு, பிளாஸ்டிக்கு, மெட்டல், ரப்பரு, வேக்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன், விச் ஒன்? பைப்பு. பைப் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் பிளாஸ்டிக். வெரி குட். ஹியர் பேக். விச் ஒன் கம் ஹியர்? You write that one correctly. Here clue word also given for you. First one, I say example for you. First one, which one? Pipe. Pipe is made of Which one? Plastic. Wire bag, eraser, bottle, next wood, spoon, chair, spring, this one chappal, last one book. This all the one where it is come from. You write that space correctly. Next, try to answer. Make the objects that are made of some materials. எந்த மெட்டீரியல்லேருந்து இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் உருவானதுன்னு நம்ம எழுதணும். ஃபஸ்ட் A, B, C here given. You write that one. You match that one correctly. Chair. Which one here given? Plastic material want to draw correctly. Match the objects that are made of same material. First one plastic. Here which one? Plastic. B la adha match pannu. Next C la which one? Plastic. You match that one correctly. Second Roman, properties of materials. We can measure, see or feel the materials. We can measure, see or feel the materials. Different types of materials have different properties that make them useful for various purposes. Here different type of material here given. We can measure. How do you measure? See or feel the material. Touch or see. Hard, soft. How do you identify? Different types of material have different properties that make them useful for various purposes. What they here given? We can measure. மெஷர்னா என்ன? ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறோம் மெட்டீரியலை. ஃபீல் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா டச் பண்ணி ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறோம். இல்லை என்ன செய்கிறோம்? நிறைய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸில் உருவாக்கியிருக்காங்க. பிளாஸ்டிக்கு, கிளாஸு, ரப்பரு, வுட்டு, இது மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸில் உருவாக்கியிருக்காங்க. ஒவ்வொன்றும் வேரியஸ் பர்பஸுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. மோஸ்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் ஹாவ் மோர் தென் ஒன் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. They can be hard or soft, shiny or dull, smooth or rough, and flexible or rigid. Based on this property, it can be divided into hard or soft, shiny or dull, smooth or rough, and flexible or rigid. 4 groups. Divided into 4 groups. First one, hard and soft materials. First one, hard and soft materials. How will you identify? Here given 2 picture. First one, which one? This one, iron. Second one, leg. Materials which cannot be easily compressed, cut, bend or stretched are called hard materials. Example, brick, bone and steel. Materials which cannot be easily compressed. That means cannot be easily cut, bend or scratched. அதை என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? ஈஸியாக கட் பண்ண முடியாது, பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, ஸ்க்ராட்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. இதுதான் ஹார்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் which one? Brick, bone and steel. Here which picture given? Steel picture given. Next, materials which can be easily compressed. Materials which can be easily compressed, cut, bend or scratched are called which one? Soft materials. Example, foam, clay and skin. Foam na enna? நுரை. clay தெரியும், களிமண், ஸ்கின். இதெல்லாம் ஈஸியாக என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? கட் பண்ண முடியும், பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும், ஸ்க்ராட்ச் பண்ண முடியும். These materials are soft materials. Here 2 materials given, hard and soft materials. First one, the materials which cannot be easily compressed. That means cut, bend or scratched. இதெல்லாம் ஈஸியாக பண்ண முடியாது. அதுதான் ஹார்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் which one? brick, iron, steel, bone. These are all come under hard materials. Next, soft materials. Materials which can be easily compressed. That means what? Easily cut, bend or scratched. That one is called soft materials. Example which one? Foam, clay and skin. Next, try to answer. Write whether the given materials are hard or soft. Here three materials given. You write that space soft or hard. First one wood. Next one eraser. Third one cotton. You write that space hard or soft. Next, shiny and dull materials. Shiny and dull materials. Materials which reflects the light well are called shiny materials. Which materials reflect the light? That one is called shiny materials. Example, stainless steel, gold and diamond. This one reflect the which one? Light, reflect the light. This one is called shiny materials. Some materials reflect the light. That one is called shiny materials. Materials which reflect the light well are called shiny materials. Example, some materials which reflects light. That one is called shiny material. Example which one? Stainless steel, gold, diamond. Next, materials which do not reflect the light, well are called dull materials. Example, candle, paper, jute bag. This one not reflect the light. So this one is called dull materials. Here, try to answer given. Collect some objects from your house and classify them as shiny or dull materials. Your home so many materials present. You want to collect that materials. Which one shiny materials, which one dull materials? You want to classify that one. Next, rough and smooth materials. Materials which have ups and downs on their surface are called rough materials. Example, brick, rock and tire. Materials which have ups and downs on their surface are called rough surface. Example, brick, rock and tire. Some material have which surface? Rough surface. That one is called rough materials. Which one example? Brick, rock, tire. Next, materials which do not have ups and downs on their surface are called smooth materials. அப் அண்ட் டவுன் மெட்டீரியல் இருக்காது அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா பேக் சைடும் ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்காது. திஸ் ஒன் இஸ் கால்டு ஸ்மூத் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள், மிரர், சில்க் கிளாத் அண்ட் டைல்ஸ். This only what? Smooth materials. First one, rough materials. What do you mean by rough materials? Materials have ups and downs on their surface. Surfaceல என்ன இருக்கு? Up side, down side இருக்கு. சேமா இருக்கு. இது என்னது? Rough material. எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு brick, rock, tire. Next, materials which do not have ups and downs on their surface are called smooth materials. Example, mirror, silk cloth, tiles. Smooth materials do not have same surface on both sides. Next, try to answer. Next what? Try to answer. Here given some object. You classify that one rough or smooth materials. Wet soap, coil, feather, stone, glass ball, paper board, sandpaper, plastic spoon. You want to classify these things come under rough surface or smooth surface. Write in the space here given. Next, flexible and rigid materials. Flexible and rigid materials. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily are known as flexible materials. Example, rubber band, electric wire and cycle tube. Some material have easily flexible capacity, that one is called flexible materials. Example, which one? Rubber band, electric wire and cycle tube. Next, materials which cannot be bent or stretched easily are known as rigid materials. Example, a stick, wooden scale and stone. These materials cannot be bent or stretched easily. That one is called rigid material. Next activity. What activity here given? Test the flexibility. Give one plastic scale and wooden scale to the students. Ask them to bend. Tabulate their observation. Bends, does not bend. Which one bend? Which one does not bend? You write that space, plastic scale and then wooden scale. You write that correctly. Next, waterproof materials. Waterproof materials. Materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Some materials, example raincoat, do not allow water inside. That one is called waterproof materials. Example, raincoat and aluminum foil of tablet strip. அலுமினியம் கோட்டிங் இருக்குது இல்லைங்களா டேப்லெட்டில், அதை சொல்கிறாங்க இங்கே. இது ரெண்டுமே என்னது? வாட்டர் கண்டென்ட்டை உள்ளார அலோவ் பண்ணாது. ஸோ திஸ் ஒன் இஸ் கால்டு வாட்டர் ப்ரூஃப் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். Nowadays so many things come like waterproof materials. Watch, camera, phone. These all the one waterproof materials. The upside coating gives some special layer that only not allow water inside to the things. So this only waterproof materials. Materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Example, raincoat and aluminum foil of tablet strip. Next, think and answer. Do you have a raincoat? What is its use? All the members have raincoat. What is the use of that one? You think and answer. Next activity. Take a glass bowl. Fill 3/4 of it with water. Put an orange fruit with peel and an orange fruit without peel. What the activity here given? ஒரு கிளாஸ் பவுலில் வாட்டர் எடுத்துக்கணும். எவ்வளோ வாட்டர் எடுத்துக்கணும்? ஃபுல்லாக எடுக்கக்கூடாது, 3/4, அதாவது 3/4 பாகம் எடுத்துக்கணும். புட் அண்ட் ஆரஞ்சு ஃப்ரூட், ஒரு ஃப்ரூட்டை ஃபுல்லாக போடணும். இன்னொரு ஃப்ரூட்டை பீல்னா தோலை விரிச்சிட்டு போடுறது. அப்சர்வ் விச் ஆரஞ்சு ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் ஃப்ளோட், ஒய். எந்த ஆரஞ்சு ஃப்ரூட்டு ஃப்ளோட் ஆகுது, ஏன் ஃப்ளோட் ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிற அப்சர்வேஷனை நீங்கள் எழுதணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு materials. Next, materials all the one completed. Now, transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Have you ever seen through the bus window? If you go anywhere, what do? Open the door, we see outside things. Some objects allow light to pass through them. Some objects allow light to pass through them. This helps us to see through them as the window of a bus. Let us see how different objects behave with light. Here what given? 3 objects given. Transparent object, translucent object and opaque object. If you go bus, what do? Immediately open the door. We see outside the window. What are the one going on? Who come across you? All the one you watch. How they do that activity? Some only allow pass through them light. Based on the light pass through them, it can be divided into three group: transparent, translucent, opaque object. ஒளி ஊடுருவுது இல்லைங்களா, அதை வச்சு பொருளை வந்து என்ன செய்கிறாங்கன்னா மூணாக பிரிக்கிறாங்க. டிரான்ஸ்பேரண்ட் அப்படின்னா ஒளி ஊடுருவும் பொருள், டிரான்ஸ்லூசன்ட் அப்படின்னா பாதி ஒளியை மட்டும் அலோவ் பண்ணும், ஒப்பேக்குன்னா ஃபுல்லாக ஒளியை அலோவ் பண்ணாது. இதுதான் ஒளி ஊடுருவா பொருள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். 3 டைப்ஸாக பிரிக்கிறோம். பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த light pass through them, the object. It can be divided into 3 groups. What are they? Transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Let us see one by one. First one, transparent object. What do you mean by transparent object? Transparent objects allow to light to pass through them. So we can see other objects clearly through transparent objects. Examples: air, glass and pure water. Here you see the picture. Here one glass tumbler given. One side light pass it through torchlight. Other side all the light passes through the water. So this one transparent objects. எந்த ஒரு பொருள் ஃபுல்லாக லைட்டை பாஸ் பண்ணுதோ அது வந்து டிரான்ஸ்பேரண்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட், ஒளி புகும் பொருள், ஒளி ஊடுருவும் பொருள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் விச் ஒன்? ஏரு, கிளாஸு, பியூர் வாட்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட் translucent object, that means half light only pass through them, that only translucent object. Here you see the picture. Translucent objects allow some light to pass through them. Here full light also pass transparent object. Translucent object which one? Some light only pass through them. So we cannot see the object clearly, but we see them as blurred images through them. ஃபுல்லாக அந்த இமேஜை பார்க்க முடியாது, கொஞ்சம் கண்ணை கட்டின மாதிரி பாதி மட்டும் தெரியும். பிளர்டு இமேஜ்னால் என்ன? அது கிளியரான இமேஜ் கிடைக்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள்: பேப்பர் ஷோக்டு இன் ஆயில், ஸ்னோ அண்ட் வெஜிடபிள் ஆயில். ஒரு பேப்பரை ஆயிலில் டிப் பண்ணோன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அதில் இருக்க லெட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பிளர்டு, அப்படியே மங்கின மாதிரி தெரியும். அதை தான் இங்கே சொல்கிறாங்க. டிரான்ஸ்லூசன்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் allow some light to pass through them, so we cannot see objects clearly, but we see them as blurred images through them. Example which one? Paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable oil. Here you see the picture. One side light pass through them. Which oil here given? Vegetable oil. Some light only passes through other side. This only translucent object. Next we discuss about opaque objects. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. லைட் என்ன பண்ணாது? கொஞ்சம் கூட அலோவ் பண்ணாது. Do not pass through them. So we cannot see through these objects: wood, stone and metals. Here you see the picture. One side light pass through them, other side there is no effect. So opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. So we cannot see through these objects. Example: wood, stone and metals. Wood, stone and metals. Can you clear? 3 types of object. Here we see what are the one? Transparent object. What do you mean by transparent object? Transparent object fully light pass through other side. Translucent object half light only pass through them. Here opaque object do not allow light to pass through them. This only book reading. Now material reading. Lesson 2, Matter and Materials. First one, dictation words. First one, sources. SOURCES, sources. Second one, plastics. PLASTICS, plastics. Third one, opaque. OPAQUE, opaque. Fourth one, waterproof. WATER, waterproof. PROOF, waterproof. Fifth one, raincoat. RAIN, rain. Coat, COAT, raincoat. First one sources, second one plastics, third one opaque, fourth one waterproof, fifth one raincoat. D words completed. Next, second Roman, missing letters. Reflection. REFLECTION, reflection. First one, missing letters. First one, which one? Reflection. REFLECTION, reflection. Second one, mirror. MIRROR, mirror. MIRROR, mirror. Third one, properties. PROPERTIES, properties. PROPERTIES, properties. Fourth one, transparent. TRANSPARENT, transparent. Fifth one, translucent. TRANSLUCENT, translucent. What are the one we see in missing letters? First one, reflection. Second one, mirror. Third one, properties. Fourth one, transparent. Fifth one, translucent. Next, third Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, materials which can be compressed, cut easily. Compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Materials which can be compressed or cut easily. Compressed or cut easily. That one is called which? Soft materials. Gold and diamonds are the examples of shiny materials. Gold and diamond are the examples of shiny materials. Third one, materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible materials. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible. Are called what? Flexible. Fourth one, transparent objects allow all the light. Allow which one? All the light to pass through them. Fifth one, light is a natural source that stimulates sight and makes things visible. Light is a natural source that stimulates sight and makes things. Light is a natural source that stimulates sight and makes visible. And makes the things visible. Fourth Roman, match the following. First one, light source, sun. Second one, waterproof, raincoat. Third one, transparent, glass. Fourth one, translucent, vegetable oil. Fifth one, opaque, opaque which one? Metal. Fifth Roman, say true or false. Here give one sentence. This one, true or false. First one, we cannot compress, cut or bend the rough materials easily. That one false. We can able to cut and compress the which materials? Rough materials easily. Here oppositely given, that one false. Second one, dull materials reflect light. Which one reflect light? Smooth material only. So this also false. Next, sand and paper, third one. Sand and paper is a good example for smooth materials. Sand and paper is a good example of smooth materials. That also false. Next, opaque object do not allow light to pass through them. True, that one. Opaque material, opaque object, otherwise opaque objects do not allow light pass through them. That one true only. Next, fifth one, mirrors change the direction of light that fall on them. True. Mirrors change the direction of light that fall on them. That one true only. Sixth Roman, find the odd one out. Here 4 choice given for you. 3 also same like that having. That means character or anything same. One only differ in character. You find out that one, you circle the odd one out. Otherwise find the odd one out. First one, brick, coir, silk cloth, pineapple. Brick, coir, pineapple, all the one rough surface. Silk cloth is a smooth surface. So first one, odd one out, which one? Silk cloth only. Second, stone, rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire. This one flexible material. Rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire, that one flexible. But stone is not flexible, rough materials. So stone only, second one. Third one, sun, candle, torch, pen. Sun, candle, torch, 3 also gives light, but pen used for writing. So pen only, odd one. Fourth one, umbrella, sponge, raincoat, jerkin. Umbrella, raincoat, jerkin used for waterproof. That one used for in which season? Rainy season. Sponge, this one easily water absorbing capacity. So this only different, odd one. Fifth one, glass bottle, exam pad, paper plate, wooden board. This all the one, exam pad, paper plate, wooden board, all the one, which one? Opaque material. Glass bottle only, transparent materials. Next, 7th Roman, answer the following questions. How many questions? 4 questions only today material reading. First question, when can you say a material is waterproof materials? When can you say a material is waterproof materials? How you say this one, waterproof materials? Materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Some materials are not allowed to pass through water. That one is called waterproof material. Nowadays so many things. For example, watch, hand watch, and then camera. All the one, find out waterproof materials. Here which one given example? Raincoat, aluminum foil. This one example for waterproof materials. Materials that do not allow water to pass through them. Which one? The material that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof material. Example, raincoat, aluminum foil. Next, second one, what is a light source? The objects that gives light are called. Some object give light for us. That one is called light sources. Which material give light to our universe? That one is called what? That one, light, give of light are called light sources. Example, sun, lamp, bulb. Third one, what is the difference between transparent and opaque material? Transparent, first I gave some examples for you. Transparent material easily allow light to pass through them, but opaque material do not allow light to pass through them. So first, transparent materials. Transparent materials allow the light to pass through them. Transparent material, which one? Allow the light to pass through them is called transparent materials. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Do not allow what? Light to pass through them. That one, opaque material. We can see other objects clearly through them. Which one? In transparent materials, we can able to see some object in other side. Clearly see through them. But opaque material, we cannot see through these objects. This one, opaque materials. Next, fourth question, define reflection. The bouncing, that means reflecting. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. The bouncing of light, which surface the bouncing of light? Smooth or polished surface only the light bouncing. So that one is called reflection. Now 8th Roman, first question, answer in detail. Define rough and smooth materials. Materials which have ups and down on their surface. That means what? Materials which can ups and down, that means the materials not in smooth order, some hard in nature, that one is called rough materials. Example, brick, rock, tire, which have materials which have ups and down on their surface are called rough materials. Example, which one? Brick, rock, tire. Materials which do not have ups and down on their surface are called smooth materials. Some materials do not have up and down, which do not have up and down on their surface. That material is called what? Smooth materials. Example, mirror, silk cloth, tiles. Rough surface and smooth surface. What do you mean by rough surface? The materials have up and down surface. That one is called what? Rough surface. The materials do not have up and down surface. That one is called smooth materials. Rough materials example, brick, rock, tire. Smooth materials example, mirror, silk cloth, tiles. What are the one we see today material reading? First Roman to 6th Roman, 7th Roman 1 to 4 question and 8th Roman first question only. Thank you dears.